time for the Saatva women's 200-meter final. And it features none other than the world #1 in 100 and 200, Melissa Jefferson Wooden.
When she swept the 100, 200 at the World Championships, she became the second woman ever to do that and the first American. I couldn't believe that stat because there have been so many great Americans that have attempted that double. She left with 3 gold medals. She's been so dominant the last season and this season. She didn't run the 100 here, so I think she's going to come out here and want to send a message. We saw Julian Alfred run 21:51. What does she have in the tank, Otto?
Yeah, her last loss was the Olympic final. Here's Cambria Sturgis training with the 200-meter Olympic champion, Gabby Thomas. This is only her second ever national outdoor final, and she is likely to be closest to Melissa Jefferson Wooden with her 21:93 personal best back in April.
This is Cameron Dixon. She's coming off of her senior season at Texas A&M. She was 3rd at the NCAAs. She represented Team USA at the 2023 Pan Am's under 20, where she won a bronze in the 100 and took home gold as part of the 4x1 relay.
Big moment for her too. It's her first nationals. She made her debut with On yesterday. Her career's beginning very strongly.
The world lead by the Olympic 100-meter champion from St. Lucia, Julian Alfred, 21:51, Sonia, making her the 3rd fastest ever behind Shericka Jackson and Flojo.
It was a very strategic semi-final put together by Melissa Jefferson Wooden.
Oh, she's going to run fast here.
She only did what she had to, but now we're going to see her at full speed.
Set.
Saatva women's 200-meter final.
She has 10:63 speed, and nobody else in the field has that, and that's why the world champion has completely obliterated this field so far.
My goodness, look at Melissa Jefferson Wooden come off the turn and run away from this field. The world #1 streaking to the line, 21:69, and it's a back-to-back national championship in the 200 for Melissa.
Defending her title in style.
Let's have a look at the gold medal moment presented by Xfinity.
So not only is this the fastest time run by an American woman this year, her personal best is 21:68. So it's not too far off of her personal best at all. Melissa Jefferson Wooden world is right back to her best. Maybe this is a response to what we saw from Julian Alfred. She knows, hey, 21:6 isn't getting it done. You got to get down into 21:5.
Listen, she's a woman on a mission. Something has changed about her. Her level of confidence when she steps on the track shows every single time. She handled the turn like it was a straightaway, came off and looked like she was going to be on her way to a potential world lead. I think with the right competition, and when she links up with Julian Alfred, it is going to be fireworks. I cannot wait.
You remember me saying yesterday, if you asked me to pick right now, who would I put on that podium in 2 years?
Yep.
It would be her. She has only lost 2 races since getting the bronze in Paris. 2.
Congrats to Cambria Sturgis and Cameron Dixon getting on the podium, but how about that, Lewis? Back-to-back national titles and almost a personal best for Melissa Jefferson Wooden.
Just a razor's edge away from that personal best. She just let out a yell saying, I'm tired. You put it together this weekend. Tell me about this national championship again over 200 meters.
It was that simple, putting it together. Looking at all my races this year, every race I come out to, there's a different goal in mind, which is to build upon where I'm trying to go. Today, I'm happy.
You should be.
Out of Texas with that 2nd place finish, as he will go to Tokyo as well. On to the Toyota women's 200 meters, and the Olympic champion is introduced.
She runs well in this building, and that's why she won the Olympic trials here just about a year ago, and yet she does not start here as favorite.
The 100-meter champion is the one that you think will potentially sweep?
I don't think this race is going to be that close. Melissa Jefferson Wooden is trying to do something that no American has done since 2003. Tori Edwards win the 100 and the 200 at the national championships. Her personal best is 21.99. She's about to smash that right now.
But we also have the bronze medalist from Paris.
Yeah, the United States got 2 of the 3 medals in Paris last summer, and this is the young woman who got that bronze. Brittany Brown, personal best 21.90. It's taken her a while to look like the Brittany Brown from last year, but her semifinal indicates that she's going to be hard-pressed to miss this team. But it is a very competitive field. Mackenzie Long in 8 as well.
Yeah, all 3 Americans made the Olympic final, and Mackenzie Long, fresh off her collegiate career, finished 7th, and she's in lane 8 in this race. Could there be a better lane for Melissa Jefferson Wooden than 7?
Well, she could be in 8 or 9, but I think because she's in 7 is why I have no doubt that she's going to set a new big personal best here.
Toyota women's 200-meter final.
Melissa Jefferson Wooden is no doubt going to use that 10.65 100-meter speed to get away from the rest of the field. So far, she's done that, but Brittany Brown not too far behind.
Jefferson Wooden ahead of the field. And Navia Battle had a nice run, but now she's losing ground. Gabby Thomas trying to get in the mix, but she will not. And Melissa Jefferson Wooden takes the sweep with a new lifetime best, 21.80.
Championship.
Men's 200-meter world final. Right, as if all that isn't enough. Lyles went 4 in a row, and Shericka Jackson go 3 in a row. Or will Melissa Jefferson Wooden become the first American woman to do the 1-2 double?
And she will start as a big favorite tonight.
In order to win that world title, you got to go through the defending champion, Shericka Jackson of Jamaica.
There's never been a sweep in this event at the World Championships, and I think the presence of Shericka Jackson, along with a good lane draw in 7, may prevent the United States from sweeping as we look at the 2019 world champion, Dina Asher-Smith.
Now 29 years of age, competing in her 7th outdoor world championship, making yet another world final.
A Navia Battle of the United States will be just behind her in 8. Great lane draw for her. She's going to have to set a personal best to be on the podium. Her personal best stands at 21.9. She's going to have to go a little faster, but I think she's a definite medal threat.
And trying to put herself in the same conversation as Allison Felix of the United States, winning 3 consecutive World 200-meter titles. Shericka Jackson is in 7th.
She has run more top 10 times in this event than anybody else in the history of the world. Here's the big favorite. Lots of history on the line here. The U.S. hasn't won a world title in this event since Allison Felix did it way back in 2009. And there are her parents, Melvin and Joanna Jefferson, sitting up in the booth of World Athletics President Sebastian Coe.
Second athlete from Great Britain is the 23-year-old Amy Hunt, their national champion in the 100 meters.
The evergreen Marie-Josée Talleu-Smith will occupy lane 4. She's got silver, she's got bronze from this event, but she hasn't won a medal since 2019.
There are 4 Americans in this women's 200-meter final. Brittany Brown has tasted the podium at the World Championships. Silver in 2019 behind Asher-Smith. Bronze in Paris last year. And Mackenzie Long, because Brown won the Diamond League and Gabby Thomas pulled out due to injury, she got advanced as the 4th member of Team USA, and she also makes the final.
Yeah, she's one of just a few women to run under 22 seconds. Here's the Bahamas' Antonique Strawn. You see that left leg wrapped. She was in some real discomfort after the semifinal, but she clearly has decided to give it a go. That is a tough lane to run all that turn with your leg bandaged in lane 1 as we get back now to the 100-meter world champion, fully focused on the task at hand, but the 2-time defending champ
will be to her outside in lane 7, Shericka Jackson.
Set.
And the false start appears to be Anthony Strawn. Is this a case of her just taking herself out of this final because she knows that she can't finish it? Yeah, you see the reaction time. Melissa Jefferson Wooden has 2 champion, her and Shericka Jackson off the turn.
Between her and the rest of the field, the sweep is realized.
Stepping up, Melissa Jefferson ran one heck of a turn. Look at Dina Asher-Smith running well on the outside, but once she got to the front, she has been just about impossible to pass. Look at her just pulling away from the rest of the world. Nobody challenged her. This was almost as big a romp as we had in the 100. So Sydney McLaughlin-Lavroni.
Back at Grand Slam track, women's 200, Melissa Jefferson Woodard. She's Mrs. Grand Slam right now.
That's right. And here's Gabby Thomas, who's back in the short sprints. She was second in Miami. She won the long sprints in Kingston. So I know she wants a little bit of revenge here on Melissa Jefferson Wooden.
Tamari Davis, second in Miami over this distance. Oh, sorry, my bad. There's Tamari Davis. Jaden Mays there. Another one of those fast Oregon Ducks from the Olympic trials in 2024 in this event. Made it through to the finals. Thelma Davies, she'll get a hometown welcome.
And rounding out the field, this is Celera Barnes. Had a breakout indoor season. The U.S. indoor champion at 60 meters. It's another great field, and after what Kenny Benari just did, I'm sure they're inspired to run really well in front of a great crowd. Set.
Thomas away pretty smartly, although it's just lost half a metre or so. He's got to get moving here because Dina Asher-Smith is running a cracking bend and also going well. Jefferson Wooden into the home straight with a good 2-metre lead.
Oh, wow.
Can Gabby Thomas hold this in? She's got work to do.
Oh, wow.
Hold of Jackson Wooden. Can she get there? It's only 10 in the lead. But she's got it. 21-99. Well.
Wagwan family, and once again welcome back to the Yadi Reactivities. For the first time you are checking me out, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I'd wanna say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Whereby today we dive in on to sports once again, whereby our video covers the dominance of American sprinters Melissa Jefferson, also referred to as Melissa Jefferson Wooden, in the 200-meter event, whereby the content highlights 2 major athletic performances, and one of it is the World Championships in Budapest, and whereby the video details the 200-meter final, where Melissa Jefferson secured victory with a time of 21.68 seconds. Other top finishers included Amy Hunt and Shericka Jackson, whereby Amy Hunt took it with 22.14 seconds and Shericka Jackson 22.18 seconds. Onto the Grand Slam track in Philadelphia, the video showcases her win at the Franklin Field meet on May 31st, 2025 was the year where she clocked a personal best of 21.99 seconds to edge out Gabby Thomas. And here, just want to emphasize that these victories solidify Jefferson's momentum as she successfully completed completed a double in both the 100 meter and 200 meter, eventually capturing gold in both events and the 4x1 relay. And in this case, we dive in on deeper and ask what was Melissa Jefferson time in Budapest. And in the 200 meter final at the World Championships in Budapest, Melissa Jefferson, also referred to as Melissa Jefferson Wooden, won with a time of 21.68 seconds. And who finished second in the Philadelphia race? In the Grand Slam track race held in Philadelphia on May 31st, 2025, Gabby Thomas finished in second place, edged out by Melissa Jefferson Wooden, one of the best relay athletes that has come to emerge from the United States. And did she win the 4x1 relay? And yes, according to these, Melissa Jefferson Wooden won gold in the 4x1 relay as the first leg runner, contributing to her successful triple gold performance that included the 100 meter and 200 meter event. And what other event did she compete in? Beyond the 200 meter race, Melissa Jefferson Wooden also competed in the 100 meter sprint and the 4x100 meter relay as the first leg runner by winning gold in all three of these events. She achieved a highly successful triple gold performances. And if you might be asking, how does she train for relays? Yeah, mainly because she is providing great deeds and works onto the track field, and bringing out gold medals isn't that easy, and she's doing it. The provided video transcript here does not contain information regarding how Melissa Jefferson Wooden trains for relay events, but the video is focused on her race performances and results in the 100 meter and 200 meter and 4x100 meter relay, rather than her specific training regime. Would and what were her 200 meter results? Just to give you the full information and details about it, our video highlights two major 200 meter race performances for Melissa Jefferson Wooden, and in it we had the World Championships in Budapest. She won the gold medal with a time of 21.68 seconds. Grand Slam track in Philadelphia, she won the title with a personal best time of 21.99 seconds. And to Melissa Jefferson Wooden, I would love to give my applauses onto her, mainly because she is doing an amazing deed onto the track field and bringing such kind of medals for your country. It definitely shows how great you are. And on to the second video. Our video covers the 2026 US Track and Field Championship Women's 200 meter final, where Melissa Jefferson Wooden secured a consecutive national title with a dominant performance. And here, the race where Melissa Jefferson Wooden won the 200 meter final with a time of 21.69 seconds, marking a season best performance that was just 0.01 seconds of her personal best. And on to the field result, following Jefferson Wooden on the podium were Cumbria Sturgis with the 22.22 seconds in second place, and Cameron Dixon 22.58 seconds in third. On to the context, our video notes that Jefferson Wooden impressive form following her success at the World Championships, and highlights her strategic approach to focusing on the 200 meter event rather than competing in the 100 meter at these trials. And on to the future outlook, Jefferson Wooden plans to continue training for upcoming international competitions, including the Diamond League final and the Royal Athletics Ultimate Championships in Budapest. Just to ask, what is Melissa Jefferson Wooden's personal best? And according to the video, Melissa Jefferson Wooden personal best in the 200 meter is 21.68 seconds. Such a great performance. And in it, who finished second on the 200 meter race, as I told you, Cambria Stagis finished in second place in the 200 meter race with a time of 22.22 seconds. And where is the next major championship? According to the video, Melissa Jefferson Wooden is scheduled to compete in the Royal Athletics Ultimate Championship held in Budapest later in the month. Yeah, that's Melissa Jefferson for you, a great finisher and a great sprinter from the United States, you know, and she is doing amazing. We all can agree on that. And on which lane was the winner in the Toyota Women's 200 meter final? The winner, Melissa Jefferson Wooden, was in lane 7. Yeah, that's very, very nice. And just to give you some heads up, when is the Diamond League final? The 2026 Diamond League final are scheduled to take place in Brussels on the 4th and 5th of September, the year 2026. How many meets are in these series, or rather in the series? Just to give you some heads up, you know, when does the Diamond League season ends? Like some of the questions you might be needing to know. The 2026 Diamond League season is scheduled to conclude with the 2-day Diamond League finals in Brussels, which will take place on September 4th and 5th, 2026. And that leads us to the end of this amazing video. I hope you have enjoyed the video to the end, and yeah, I would love to know whatever you think about this amazing video. Let's come around, share our thoughts throughout the comment section so we can get to interact and know what you think, and mainly because your opinion does matters to us every day. Thank you very much, guys, for following up the video with me. I was your host, Yadi Reacts. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I do want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Always remember to link me up through my next video. So I do want to say peace out there.